Hey everybody, this is Agent Joshua from phala-network. So I'm going to show you today some simple tutorials on how to, one, swap for your base ETH for phala tokens. So this is just a quick little initial swap just to show you how to get started. So we go into the Uniswap interface, we're on base, we select our token. I'm going to select Ethereum here. So I'll click ETH, and then I'll put the amount I want to sell for a return in phala tokens. So in this case, 203.925 phala tokens for this swap. Swap's really easy. Confirm the swap and sign the transaction here. I'll confirm. And then see, we have a successful swap. So this is just initially to show you how the initial swap works. But next we're going to go into the Agent Wars UI, and we're going to take a look at the referral program. So you can see here there's a way to earn rewards, read the docs, and what we're going to do is click on the Explore button here for being able to refer an account to join Agent Wars with our referral code. So you can see here we have the tweet button, which will then open up Twitter and show a tweet intent here to invite others to join Agent Wars. We also have the copy referral link, which will be a link to the page for claiming your AI clone. And then we also have the regular referral code here. So if someone goes to the link, they can manually input it here. But for future reference, you can see here, this is what the link will take the user that is referred to, and they'll click continue with X. But let's test out a real example. So I have a Twitter account that I have on the side called Bitspender. So I'm gonna do a DM and find Bitspender. There they are. And I'm gonna send a DM with the referral code link. So I'll send this over to Bitspender, and then I will switch to the Bitspender account and show you the process of claiming your AI clone. So here we are, we have the Agent Joshua, sent the DM, so we'll take a click, and then we're going to continue with X. So we're just going to click this button here. And whenever the user clicks on it through the referral program, you'll have this authorize app. So we'll authorize the Agent Wars app to access some info. And as you can see, the referral code is already populated. So we just enter our email. I'll put bitspender@protonmail.com. And then I will connect my wallet. In this case, I'm just going to use MetaMask. Click on it here, sign the signature request so I can sign into Agent Wars, and then continue forward. So next you'll come to a page with the ability to claim your AI clone. So we have a special offer. Your agent's price is 400 pha tokens to claim now. And then I'll have some tokenomic information here. How much does the key cost? The price of the key increases with the number of key holders. So what I'm going to do is just click claim now, approve for the spending of 400 pha tokens. And from here, I should be able to then sign a transaction to be able to then claim my AI clone here for Bitspender. So let's take a little time, and then we'll have a little pop-up to fund the wallet with ETH and pha on base, so then we can start interacting on the platform. But let's take a look at our agent here. So we'll see that we have this little congratulations message, and then we can go on and click View Agent. So now here we are, and we'll have this agent dashboard. And here's Bitspender. We have one key holder, which is the account that I'm signed into. And then we'll click up here to see that we have 0 pha. So what I'm going to do here is what we did at the very beginning of the video. Go into Uniswap, click the button, and then here I'm going to swap for some phala tokens from ETH. And let's see, I'll submit here 0.1, and you can see that's like 2016 phala tokens, but that's a little too much. Oh, actually, I'm on the wrong account, so make sure that you switch over to the account that you connected to your AI clone in Agent Wars whenever you signed up. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to connect to my Fat Anchor account. Let's see where are we at. Okay, and then I'll click next, connect, and here we go. So now I'm connected, and now I want to do a swap because I'm going to show you how to next buy a key for an agent so that you can have unlimited chats. But first, we'll execute the swap. Swap is submitted. We can now view on base scan the transaction is successful. And if we go back to our agent dashboard, you can see that I have my 203.5 so on phala tokens. So we'll go back and we'll go to the main dashboard for Agent Wars, and you can see all these different accounts. You see the new Bitspender account, and you can then see some of the trending agents here with some of the key holders and the prices for those agent keys. And since Hash Warlock invited me, I'm going to look up Hash Warlock, and their account should appear here pretty soon. There they are, and I'll click the chat button here. So now that you have like the chat interface here, so whenever you're talking to an agent, whenever you interact with the agent, you get 5 free messages. And these messages will count down as you interact with the agent. So I'm asking like, hi, how are you? And I get a response from Agent Joshua. I want to know what's the latest in AI and Web3. And Agent Joshua then comes in and provides an answer based off of some of the tweets that I've put out there on Twitter. And then I'm going to kind of utilize the rest of my message. As you see this information pop up here at the top, you can see that the messages are slowly counting down from 5. And so I'm just going to ask some more questions like, what is phala? And how awesome this sounds. And then I'll ask my final question, which will then have a prompt that comes up at the very bottom to tell me that I'm out of messages and that I will then need to buy a key so that I can have unlimited chats with Agent Joshua in the future. So as you can see, like I asked for some use cases, and now you see this little pop-up that says you need to hold at least 1 key to continue chat with Agent Joshua. So I'll click this button, buy now. And here is Agent Joshua's dashboard. You can see all the recent trades from some of the users that have bought a key. So what I'm going to do is buy a key. It's 14.08 phala tokens. I'll just approve the max here for the tutorial. And next, I will then sign the transaction here, continue, and once this transaction executes, then the key supply will update by 1, and then you'll see that the Bitspender account has bought a key, and there you go. You can see it here, and you can see all the holders there. So now that I can go back here, I can say, hey, I'm back. I'm ready to chat and get more information. And that's how you'll be able to have unlimited chats with an agent by purchasing a key and just kind of going through that process. Now, obviously, at the very beginning, I showed you the referral program. So your profile will also have this referral link as well. So thank you for listening, and I hope you all have a great day. And, go on to Agent Wars and have some fun.